जय साईं to everybody. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की, थोड़ा जोर से, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की. That's better. Jai Sai to everybody. Pranam to our Guru Ma. Pranam to our Pandit Ji, Uncle Ji, as I would tell him. And we welcome you all today for a blissful evening of Sai Bhajans. A small introductory note on Pandit Rasdan. Remembering the legend and his legacy. Today we meet to commemorate Pandit Rasdan's 5th Punya Tithi. Sai Parivar presents a bouquet of Sai Bhajans. It is only once in a while that a multifaceted personality surfaces and succeeds in multiple directions of show business. Pandit K. Rasdan began his tryst with the tinsel town as a lyricist and journalist. Needless to say that his pen was his passion. He had spent his college years in Delhi and Lahore in the company of poetic souls like Katil Shifai, Sarshar Sailani, and Naresh Kumar Shad. So it was a matter of time that fire for a poetic freedom took him to Bombay, where he penned the lyrics for movies like Kalakar in 1954, Badshah Salamat and Taj Aur Talwar in 1956. But the other side of his pen also won him accolades in the journalistic genre. Prestigious publications like the Shama Shushma Group, which regularly featured his fearless depiction of films and film folk, quickly drew him towards an altogether different direction. That is the world of public relation, which was till then totally unexplored and untapped by the Indian motion picture industry, which was still in its infancy. So from here began still another journey during which he traveled with legends like Guru Dutt, K. Asif, AVM, Ashok Kumar, Devanand, Dilip Kumar, Meena Kumari, Manoj Kumar, Dharmendra, Shamir Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, right up till Mithun and Madhuri Dixit. Equipped with the dual dimension of being both a journalist and a prime public relation personnel, it earned him the stature which had no equal in his time. His film production endeavor, Ulfat, in 1971, suffered him a substantial setback. But during these very trying times, perhaps it was the desertion of those who were once so dependable that rekindled the poetic fire within him. So once again, the poet within came alive. And what commenced as a spiritual journey with Sai Yatra has slowly spread and created a collage of audio albums from bhajans to ghazals, with the very topmost voices and music labels. And for all those millions who have patronized Pandit K. Rasdan's music magic over the years, each addition to his musical collection has been a very satisfying and a soul-searching experience. Today, Sai Parivar is set to stir the souls of Sai devotees and bhajan lovers once again. Manar Udas will lend his sonorous voice to the words of Pandit Ji. Come and enjoy this blissful evening with us. And I once again thank you all for being here and ask you to say once again, Sadguru Nath Maharaj ki, a pranam to our Guru Ma from all of us. Thank you. Jai Sai.
Of Pandit K. Razdan. The minstrel Pandit Krishna Kumar Razdan. A man of letters, a man of song. When he put pen on paper, he could do no wrong. A son, a husband, a father and a man. A very big part of how our story began. Tunes composed themselves and he burnt the midnight oil. The melodies grew sweeter as his inspiration began to bubble and boil. He drew from the same inexhaustible well. Like us, he was under his master's spell. The years went by, and we always looked forward to his tunes. They were a part of our festivities, these divine boons. A day came when he had to begin another journey, to be face to face with the final mystery. Nothing is by chance. Everything is in his hands. Watch his footprints fade away on the wet sands. Where do we come from? Where do we go? Nobody knows, only Sai knows. Just witness the universal mind as it ebbs and flows. Jai Sai.
अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगीराज परब्रह्म श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम साई राम। यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी साईं भक्तों का स्वागत करता हूँ। परम आदरणीय पंडित के राजदान साहब को हमसे अलग हुए आज 5 साल हो गए। कभी सोचा नहीं था, मगर ये तो साईं ही जाने। जब हमने काम शुरू किया, शुरू में सबसे पहले साईं अर्पण साईं भक्तों की सेवा में रखा। पंडित के राजदान साहब और मेरा परिचय हुआ। उसके बाद मैं बाबा से जुड़ता गया और साईं अर्पण से लेकर आज साईं सफ़र तक कुछ 12 एल्बम हम बना चुके हैं और उनके आशीर्वाद से ये सिलसिला जब तक उनके भजन हमारे पास हैं चलता रहेगा। आज के इस दिन मैं ख़ास तौर पे इस शाम की शुरुआत करना चाहता हूँ उस भजन से जिस भजन को बाबा ने सबसे पहले उनसे लिखवाया। सबसे पहला भजन उन्होंने लिखा।